Zay.
Zay. So, kung Zay po siya, pangalan niya ay?
FZ.
FZ. And we now solve FZ. FZ is equal to, anong formula po? F?
Cosine.
Cosine sine. Sine, very good. 30 degrees. Let's solve that this is 80 pounds. Sine 30. What is the answer? 40. Exacto? Okay, 40 pounds. So, meron na tayong FC. Okay? So, doon naman tayo kay fxy. Kailangan natin si fxy. Given na formula, anong relationship in 30 to fxy? Adjacent. So, that is f
Cosine.
cosine 30. Kung ganun na, 30 degrees, and that is 80 pound cosine 30. What is the answer?
69.28.
98.
28.
28. After ng 8, 2. 20. Okay? So, meron na akong f save. Pwede na po akong bumuo ng fx. So, mamaya na natin. Blank I hat. Blank j hat. Then, that is 40. Tama? K hat. Positive, negative.
Positive.
Bakit positive?
Sila din pa.
Hindi siya dating positive kasi po siya ay, tingnan niyo to, ito po ay positive Z. Kung ano po yung nakalagay na part siya ng axis, we will use that. Okay? We will look at here. This is positive Z, so lalagyan natin positive. Okay? Next, drawing. Ito, medyo mahirap siya imagine. Ang kailangan ko pong i-draw ay ito. At ito. Okay? So, again, I will lift it up. Tataas po natin siya. Tell me, anong axis po ito? Ito muna ito po, anong pangalan nitong ating hypotenuse? What do you call this common line? The F?
XY.
XY. Okay, tell me, what axis is this? Axis.
X.
Y. Y. Positive, negative. Negative. You have to note that one. That is negative 1. Ito po yan. Good. Okay? Now here, what do you hold to this side? Positive. Yes. Very good. Now, saan po ang ating transverse? Galing positive S, galing negative Y. Look at that. Positive S. And that is 40 degrees. Okay. Kung nasaan yung 40, gagawa na tayo na right triangle. Napapansin nyo, hinahanap ko muna po yung angle before ako mag-triangle. Kasi dapat yung angle nasa loob ng triangle. If this is 40, ito po yung aking triangle. Gets po ba yun? So, angle, triangle. What do you call to this side? FX. Good. So, FX. Now, give me the formula of FX. FX is F cosine. Very good. Cosine 40. And that is, actually, it's not F. FXY. So, what is the value of FXY? 59.28 pound. Cosine 40. Give me the answer.
53.07.
53.07 pounds. Is that correct? Yes. Positive, negative. Look at this. Positive, negative. Positive. So, that is 53.07. Positive. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng positive sign kasi doon na siya. Okay? And lastly, let's go to FY. Nasaan si FY sa ating drawing? If this is the y-axis, what do you call to this?
Negative Y.
Ito po ay FY muna. FY. Pangalan po nito FY. Anong relationship ni 40 kay FY?
Opposite.
Opposite. So that is F, XY,
Sine.
sine 40. So that will be 69.28 pound. Cosine, not cosine. Sine 40. What is now the answer?
44.53.
44.53 pa. Lagi po yung positive. Again, 44.53 J hat. Lalagyan yung J hat. Yun nga na, look at this. Saan po siya ng fall?
Negative.
Negative. Kaya kailangan niyo po maglagay ng negative sign. Okay? Yes po ba? Maliwanag. And do not forget the unit pala. Pound. Okay. Ayun naman. Question. Question. May tanong. Again, step 1. Ano po yung step 1? Kung nasundan nyo. Find the given. Tatlo po yun. Okay. Kailangan nyo ma-identify na saan si F. Magnitude. Ang unahin natin is the azimuth. And this is the transverse. You will start always to the azimuth. Okay? Step 2, kailangan nyo po mag-drawing. Pag walang triangle, hindi ko chechikan ang solution. Okay? Kasi lahat po ng solution naka-base po sa ating triangle. So you have to draw this first. Okay? So step 2, draw the triangle.